This is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about projections of lines in engineering graphics. This is the learning outcomes. Draw the projections of a lines in different positions by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problem related to the projections of lines. And what is the meaning of projections of lines? The projections of straight lines is the method of representing the position of a line in space with respect to the principal planes. So, that principal planes of projection is nothing but horizontal plane and vertical plane by drawing its front view and top view of the line. This is the simple problem. Draw the projections of a line AB 80 mm long as its end A 20 mm above the HP and 30 mm in front of VP. It is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP and 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projection. So, they are given directly. This is the true length. The true length is 80 mm long. Its end A 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. For example, this is the line. So, the line is having a two ends. This is A and B. Out of A and B, one end is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. It's inclined at, that means the true length is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. So, this is belongs to line inclined to both planes. Yes. So, first we draw the 3D representation of the plane. This is horizontal plane and this is vertical plane. So, the line is inclined to both reference planes. Yes. So, first we take the one reference line, that is x and y. Okay. The line is, we need to draw first true length. So, the line is, that is end A 20 mm above HP. So, that means take the one line. So, this is the projection line 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So, this is the projection lines. This is x and y. So, this is the front view A dash and top view A. So, this is the locus of A and this is the locus of A dash and this is the locus of A. Yes, and it is, so this is the front view and this is the top view. Above the reference line is a front view, below the reference line is a top view. So, above the reference line we will place the front view. So, that is, it's inclined at 30 degrees to HP. So, that is 80 mm long line, true length 80 mm long line. This is B dash, that is theta. Theta is equal 30 degrees. Yes, and draw the another locus line. It is touching with the B dash. This is the locus of B dash. Yes, and next one and 45 degrees to VP. That means 80 mm long line, true length, top view you can draw here. This is 80 true length. This is B. Yes, this is locus of B. Yes. So, draw the two projector lines like this. Okay. And this is the 1 and this is the 2, and take the compass. I mean, it is in conventional drawing, you line view rotation method we take. So, take the distance of A dash to 2 and draw the arc, and here also A dash to 1 and draw the arc. The arcs are directly touching with the locus of B dash and locus of A dash, and draw the apparent lengths. So, this is A dash and this is B1 dash, and this is, draw the A2 cut portion. So, this is B1 and this is apparent length and this is a apparent length of HP, apparent length of VP, or front view apparent length, top view apparent length. So, how much we need to calculate apparent lengths, and also this is the pi value, they are already given 45 degrees, and we calculate the apparent length to reference line, this is alpha we need to calculate, and apparent angle beta we need to calculate. So, this problem we will draw by using AutoCAD software. Yes, and first one, this is the problem, this is the AutoCAD interface. Yes, and this is the problem. Draw the projections of a line AB 80 mm long, as its NDA 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. It is the inclined with 30 degrees to HP, 45 degrees to VP. Yes. So, first one, take the one line. So, this is the projection line, or this is the reference line. Yes, and take the MT command. So, this is X, copy the letter, okay, and next one, take the line command. So, first one, take the offset command, offset O, enter. Yes, take the 20, enter. Offset this reference line from here to above. Again, take the offset command, O, enter, 30, enter. Take the offset from reference line from above to below. Yes, and take the line command and draw the projection lines. Yes, and next one, take the line command, draw the true length. The length of the line is 80, 80 tab, angle is 30. Yes, and next one, take the line command. So, draw the top view, 80 tab, 45. Yes, and take the, copy the any letter. This is locus of A dash, and copy the same letter, CO, enter, and copy here, and this is locus of A. Yes, after completion of that, take the line command and draw the projection line from here to here, and again here to here. Yes, so take the copy command and copy the any letter. So, this is A dash and B dash, and this is A and B. This is A dash, and this is A, and this is B, top view, and this is B dash, and copy the locus line and locus line of A dash from here to here. Take the copy command, copy this line from here to here. Yes, and this is locus of B dash. And next one, take the copy command CO, enter, select this letters and select this line and copy from here to here. Yes, and this is locus of B. Okay, and next one, take the, go to the arc, start center end or center start end. You can take any one. This is the center point and this is the starting point, and draw the arc up to the locus of B dash. And next one, take the arc center start end and draw the arc from A to here and press Ctrl button, draw the arc and take the line command, draw the line from here to here. So, copy the letter so this is B1 dash and next one, copy this letter from here to below, this is B1 and draw the line from A to B1. Yes. Okay. A dash to B dash, A dash to B1 dash, A to B, A to B1. Okay. So, we need to highlight the lines because lines are the outputs. Go to the PE, enter, select this line, any line and press enter, give the width 1. Again double enter, double click the enter button and press the line, convert all lines into, give some thickness for the all lines. Yes, after completion of that, mention the line lengths, go to the aligned, give the line length. So, this is 56.57. So, the letter size is very small. Go to the D, Dimension Style Manager, D enter and modify. Symbols and arrows, arrow size is 4 and text height is also 4 and click OK, close. So, this is nothing but 56.57 and go here the decimal separator, if you observe the decimal separator is in comma, change it into point, go to the D enter, Dimension Style Manager, modify. Here go to the primary units, in this decimal separator is there, it is in comma, change it into period and click OK and close. So, it is converted into point. Yes, after completion of that, go to the annotation, aligned, place the line length 80 and the next one, here also mention the apparent length 69.28 and true length 80. This is the 80. Okay. And next one, place the angle, go to the angular and place the angle. This is 30 degrees theta and this is 45 degrees alpha. Again here this is 45 degrees and this is 55 degrees. So, this is the line inclined to both planes condition. After completion of that, give the dimension from here to here, it is 20 and it is 30. Okay, this is the problem which we will draw in the AutoCAD. So, that is line inclined to both planes. So, today we are discussing draw the projections of lines in different positions by using AutoCAD and simple problems on projections of lines. Thank you everyone.